Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley here. A quick rundown on what I've been doing for the last 2 days. Bought the mums from Sam's. It was, you're looking at $40 worth of mums. Okay. I had big pots, huge pots. I cut the bottom out of those pots, set the pot on the ground, dug a 3-inch hole deep, set the pot down in it, the big pot. Packed it full of worms, castings, coffee grounds, and potting soil. Now, when I finish, it looks like this. I covered the pots with straw, grass clippings. The reason being, my big containers over there, my big barrels, I dig into the ground and drill holes in the bottom of the barrels so the roots can go on into the ground. Same thing here. But these little pots cannot distribute the heat as those big barrels. So if you set these pots like you see them without the box and the sand and the grass around them, they would fry the roots. There's no way, they just cook them. So now I got the roots protected. They're up above the ground with good topsoil. It's basically a small raised bed. I will come back when I find my winter heather, and I will put a board here and make this one continuous raised bed, 1 foot wide, 1 foot wide, the length of this. See, 1 foot wide all the way. That's the way that'll work. Now, by doing that, I can come back on the 1 foot wide and pack it full of cardboard and pack it full of grass and leaves. That'll be sitting there. Anytime I want to plant anything, it's prepped. It's ready to go. I'll have a raised bed that will be like this in the process of just sitting there. I keep my raised beds. I got one over there in the center, right there. Been sitting there 2 years with nothing in it. Every year, fresh cardboard, fresh grass. I can go over there right now and plant anything I want. That bed's ready to go. Like and subscribe.